G'day everyone, welcome to Motorbung Aussie. Well, today we're doing another great Aussie favourite, the old bacon and cheese sausage rolls. So pretty easy, simple process. I've made my own rough puff pastry, but you know, if time is short, you can always buy it from the shops and make it a bit easier. So there's onion, garlic, thyme, bacon and the cheese. And you can see them there, turned out perfect. So it's a quick, simple, easy process. We'll follow the step-by-step guide now. G'day everyone. Now, nice, simple, easy process to follow. Now, shall we go for the old taste test, shall we? You can see the cheese and that, you know, oozing out of the sausage roll. It's cooked on the bottom. So here we go. Lovely and moist. Just taste the thyme, taste the bacon and the cheese. I prefer to leave the cheese in little squares so you can see it and taste it better. And if you grate it, it just melts all the way through it. So I just think it just looks a bit easier. But yeah, these are great for a snack, like we do here. Make these up, especially with the big bash coming up, the cricket. You and a few mates, a few beers, a few of these homemade sausage rolls. You know, everyone will be loving it. So please press the like and subscribe button, leave a comment and tell me what you think. Until the next video, cheers.